Welcome to Meet Spirit's Envoy blog. The Self-Encounter 101. A personal and candid blog, exploring many related subjects from her experience. See more blogs and masterclasses by Spirit's Envoy. Blog written by Spirit's Envoy. Freelance most senior correspondent Divine Pendulum Master and Guardian Alliance Envoy. She is licensed channeler, channeling female energy and directly connected to all that is. Ordained and anointed level 12D consciousness. She is known as Miss Vega Professor. Humble Lady Master Keeper. The Protector of Light. Disclosure here. All is just as it is stated. 100% love, light, truth. Copyright. All rights reserved. This blog is rated as suitable for all 11 years plus, and includes channeled divine information and reality check, tested by divine pendulum testing dowsing. Narrated by voice-over. It is podcast only, so how hard is delivering disclosure? What else needs to be said? Easier than you may think. Yet not as easy as making a movie with that name. You don't have to know me or like me or listen to me. Just test it for yourself as easy as 1, 2, 3. Yet there is much more your eyes cannot see, and for that are Spirit's Envoy blogs. Your belief is absolutely not required. Not public appearances. No touring the world and making lots of money. That would be a betrayal of God. It is not about me, nor about Ascension Guide. And we do not make it so. Reverence always belongs to God, that we all shall live only by her grace and will. Only God knows all. The truth and the future. And she is willing, so disclosure is here. As envoy and correspondent, I have no ambition to be anything else that I am. Nor I could be. That would be ego talking. Celebrity culture is not holy but heresy. If you ask me, it is a very costly choice. Giving up more than you know. Truth is for always, not just today. And the truth will stay. No matter where I would be. Or Ascension Guide who is not present on Earth any longer. There is a very important reason why Ascension Guide works undercover as stated in Ascension Gospel by Spirit's Envoy. And she always will be. She completed her purpose on Earth and showed us all the way. What is left? Just to follow her whenever your souls are pure. Clearly it's not politics, and personalities are irrelevant to divine work. Only love, light, truths. I won't ever be standing for re-election. And I am very impartial to you choosing path to God or evil. Everyone not ascended as of yet already lives on borrowed time. I don't receive bonuses for saving more souls. And those 144,000 already ascended. There are clearly consequences to choosing evil. Yet, your choice is yours. Nothing to do with me. I already made my own. I am certainly not going to be converting anyone. I have agreed to make it very easy for you and all to discern the truth from a lie in the highest and easiest way possible, supported by Divine God herself. But it always is your choice to test it for yourself or not. God respects our free will beyond self-destruction. You won't find truth on social media, or told by your gurus, scientists or politicians, nor channeling when you don't even know what it is that is talking. If magnetic service is not service to God, the Great Spirit, our Creator Mother, then who or what? Truth is hard to handle, and not everyone is able to handle it. And some don't even want to. That is disclosure. Ready when you are. Here are the stats. How many have fame as an intent? About a third. That is service to self. How many have money as a gain? The other third. Cash cow, because you all want the truth. How many have truth as a purpose? Only a handful. And I guess they are not likely to be touring the world. They have real jobs. And bonus question. How many alien movies, including videos available for your consumption, are reflecting reality, depending which you want. But the not virtual reality is 3%. Thank God, Mother of Mercy and Love. More by Spirit's Envoy is available. Make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell if you don't want to miss great new content coming up. Because the exclusives do not come on a regular basis every Thursday. Exclusive and not out-of-date information. All official and original only by Spirit's Envoy. Real divine codes only here. And are included in all her released videos. For more of the speech from Divine, please see Ascension Gospel by Spirit's Envoy. Available on this channel for free. God is willing and you shall know the truth. Spirit's Envoy brought you a free do-it-yourself course dowsing mini-series, which makes everyone who seeks the truth. Members of the general public. Temporarily a class attester. For all those acquiring this skill. It provides all-important protection from disinformation and deception. And negative influences. Copyright all rights reserved. The biggest problem of our time is to know the truth. This short course created by Spirit's Envoy Divine Testing Master is the answer to that. Teaches even absolute beginners how to find the truth for themselves, without relying on third parties such as media outlets or social media. Please like, subscribe and share. And support healing and ascension on earth.